In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open Claude AI quickly and the right way so you can start chatting in just a few seconds. If you've been wondering where to go, how to sign in, and how to get to the official Claude website without confusion, this guide will walk you through every step. This is a simple tutorial, but it's important to do it correctly so you end up on the real Claude AI platform and not a random copycat site. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open any web browser on your device. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, whichever one you prefer. Once your browser is open, click into the address bar at the top of the screen. Now type in claude.ai or go directly to https://claude.ai. This is the official Claude chat website, so make sure you enter the address carefully. After you press enter, the Claude homepage will load. From here, you'll see the sign-in options. You can sign in with your Google account if you want a faster login, or you can use your email address if that's what you prefer. Choose the option that works best for you and follow the on-screen prompts. If Claude asks you to verify your identity or confirm your login, just complete that step so you can move forward. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken into the Claude interface where you can start chatting right away. At that point, you can type your first message, ask a question, or begin using Claude for writing, brainstorming, research, or whatever task you need help with. It really is that simple. So just to recap, open your browser, go to claude.ai, sign in with Google or email, and once you're logged in, you're ready to start chatting. If this tutorial made things easier for you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful AI guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.